Hi, my name's Phil and I'm from Warehouse Mowers, and today I'm going to talk to you about the features you should look for when buying quality multi-tool attachments. And a great example I have is the edger. It's the first attachment that we're going to look at. It goes on the M230, the Shindaiwa M230. Now, Japanese made, so you can be guaranteed that the materials they're using are top quality, and also the design has the operator's comfort in mind. Now, this little beauty is great for straightening those edges, or where your brush cutter or grass trimmer isn't working too well with a vertical edge. The great features of this machine is very easy to adjust. You have 5 settings of the wheel. By moving the wheel, it gives you the depth settings, and you can set those to whatever depth you need to cut that edge with. Secondly, is the guard is alloy and not plastic, so it's going to be hard wearing and last you longer. It's tough, and also the feature of the blade change is very good. Just a single bolt on, bolt off, so very easy to access. And this kind of design, it won't get clogged with dirt or grass. And finally, the gear head is quality, so therefore it'll take the tolerances that you put it under, and it won't fail real easily like lower quality machines will. And it's very low maintenance. So there you have it. That's the features you should look for buying an edger attachment multi-tool. If you've got any more questions, drop in, or check us out on www.warehousemowers.com.au, or give us a call 1300 466 694. We'll have more tips and features soon. Talk to you then.